Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie from Rebelalchemy. We have finally reached the end of the chakra series. There are a few more chakras that I'll cover at a later date, but for now, in this final episode, we'll take a look at the crown chakra, including the pathology and diseases that manifest when the crown chakra is blocked, excessive or deficient. If you haven't already checked out the other videos in the series, then please do so, as this will give you a better understanding about what the chakras are, as well as how they function in the body. Before I get started, please remember to hit the like, share and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell, so that you don't miss any future uploads. The crown chakra is also known as the seventh chakra, and you can find it located at the top of the head in the center of the cranium. It's symbolized predominantly by the color violet, but also the colors white and gold, and it's associated with the element of thought and the sense of empathy and inspiration. It's also represented by the musical note of B. Within the 7-year cycles, the crown chakra influences the age range of 42 to 49 years. It represents our basic right to know and to learn. It governs knowledge, understanding, awareness, wisdom, universal consciousness, spiritual connection, transcendence, belief systems, inspiration, and also peace. It's the connection to our higher selves and the higher spiritual realms. Within the physical body, the crown chakra controls the pineal gland and the upper parts of the brain and the right eye. The pineal gland is a tiny cone-shaped gland, also referred to as the seat of the soul. It's responsible for our circadian rhythm, which is our sleep-wake cycle, and it regulates the light which comes into the body. It secretes melatonin, which is the sleep hormone, and serotonin, which is the happy hormone responsible for our mood, behavior, and our digestion. When the crown chakra is balanced and healthy, it symbolizes someone who is intelligent, analytical, thoughtful, aware, and open-minded. It also reflects our ability to perceive, to question, and to assimilate information. A balanced crown chakra also represents a sense of harmony, spiritual connection, wholeness, abundance, and the ability to trust the flow of life and its synchronicity. The main spiritual lesson of the crown chakra is our ability to trust that things will always work out fine. Sometimes in life we may be required to take a leap of faith and overcome our fears. Although we may not know what the outcome will be to a situation, we have to trust that the universe will provide for us, and our needs and expectations will always be met. When the crown chakra is blocked or out of balance, the following emotional or behavioral issues can arise, such as misinformation, lies, rigid beliefs, religious dogma, and spiritual abuse. You might be a know-it-all and always need to be right. You may over-intellectualize and have an inability to absorb information. You may suffer from a lack of purpose, alienation, isolation, confusion. You may feel disassociated from the world and from your body. You might be apathetic, materialistic, greedy, dominating. You might have an inability to meditate, lack inspiration, and suffer delusions. Mental health imbalances within the crown include suicidal tendencies, depression, and despair. So, for our usual disclaimer, which you're very used to hearing by now, please do not panic if you identify with any of the traits mentioned. None of us are perfect. It is quite normal for us to have some negative aspects within our personalities. However, if any of the traits mentioned are dominating your day-to-day life in a detrimental manner, then this will indicate that you have a blockage or imbalance in the crown chakra that you need to work on. Moving on to the pathology and diseases. When the crown chakra is blocked or imbalanced, This can result in the following physical illnesses developing, like brain and neurological issues, learning difficulties, dementia, Parkinson's disease, amnesia, poor memory, insomnia, seizures, psychosis, and also headaches. If you wanted to work on balancing your crown chakra, there are several methods that you can try, such as meditation and prayer. These are the two main tools for feeding and balancing the crown. The crown chakra is the entry point in the body, which draws in prana energy from the universe. Once that energy enters the 7th chakra, it then gets distributed down into the lower 6 chakras and feeds our organs and our cells to keep us alive and healthy. This is the energy that we need to survive, and the act of prayer and meditation helps to facilitate this. You can work with crystals such as amethyst, diamond, and quartz. Fasting is good for the crown as it raises your vibration exponentially to help you access greater knowledge and insight. You can do yoga. Raja Yoga corresponds with the crown chakra. You can wear purple, white, or gold clothing. With regards to essential oils, unlike the other 6 chakras, we don't tend to put essential oils on the crown chakra itself, as it's a very delicate and sensitive area. You can, however, use frankincense for inhalation or in a diffuser, as it's very conducive as it helps to slow down the breathing and to focus the mind. Lastly, if you are suffering from one of the chronic diseases that we've mentioned, it is recommended that you seek some form of energy healing in the first instance, as you want to push back on as much of the disease as possible before reverting to the maintenance techniques, which you can then use on a daily basis to keep the crown chakra balanced and healthy. So that's it, guys. I hope you found this series beneficial in trying to address the root cause of your ailments, as well as highlighting any imbalances that you probably didn't realize were there. But the good news is that you now have the information and the capacity to begin your own healing journeys. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And if you would like to support the channel, then you can find the details in the drop down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.